You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this electronic music record label correctly, the German way, and how you can say it easily in English. The German pronunciation, so the real correct original pronunciation, Keinemusik. Keine, that's easy, keine, it's not music. In German it's Musik. Musik, and it's a Z sound, not an S sound. Keinemusik. So if you say Keinemusik, that's absolutely perfect. But if you don't want to say it that way, the German way, the pronunciation in English is easy to do. Keinemusik, that's easy. Or you could say Keinemusik or kind music, essentially. But Keinemusik, you could say, it's a music by itself. Just pronouncing Keinemusik. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.